When it comes to project management tools for teams, two of the most popular options are Asana and Airtable. But which one really works better? In today's video, we're diving into Asana versus Airtable, breaking down their features, usability, and ultimately which might be the best fit for your team. Stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share an alternative that beats both of them hands down when it comes to team collaboration. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with Asana. Asana has long been a leader in project management, especially for teams that need a structured, easy-to-follow system. It's great for tracking tasks and workflows, offering boards, lists, and timeline views. Teams can easily assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress. The task tracking is smooth, and the interface is clean, so it's easy for everyone to follow along. But here's the catch: as simple as Asana looks, its steep learning curve can make it harder for new users to dive in. Plus, advanced features are hidden behind paywalls, so if your team needs more than the basics, you'll end up paying quite a bit more. Next thing, let's talk about Airtable. Airtable gives you a much more customizable platform. If you need a database-driven tool with project management functionality, Airtable shines. You can create unique views like grids, calendars, and Kanban boards, and it integrates data across multiple tables. But here's where it can get tricky. If you're a team that thrives on simplicity and straightforward project tracking, Airtable might be overwhelming. It's built to be very flexible, which makes it awesome for customization, but it's not as intuitive as Asana, especially if your team isn't used to databases. Now, the third thing to consider is collaboration. Both tools offer collaboration features like comments and team discussions, but Asana's task management system allows for a clearer flow of communication when tasks are assigned. You get to see exactly who's responsible for what and when, which keeps everyone on track. Airtable's collaboration tools are solid, but not as focused on task tracking. It's better for teams that need more detailed records or project histories rather than pure task management. Then there's automation. Asana has some built-in automations like task assignments and reminders, but you need to pay for the premium version to unlock more powerful workflows. Airtable, on the other hand, allows you to automate tasks at a much more granular level with its automations feature, but just like Asana, you'll need to upgrade to access these advanced features. The fifth thing we need to talk about is pricing. Asana offers a free version with a lot of basic features, but the real power comes with their premium plans, which can get pricey if you need advanced features. Airtable's pricing is similar, offering a free tier, but limiting features like advanced automations or premium views. So, you'll have to weigh which tool offers better value depending on your team's needs. Finally, if you're looking for an all-in-one, simple-to-use project management tool that combines the best features of Asana and Airtable, there is an alternative that you should definitely check out. After trying both Asana and Airtable myself, I've found that there's a tool that beats both for team collaboration, task management, and overall usability. It's more intuitive and doesn't require constant upgrades to unlock important features. If you want to try it out, check out the first link in the description for a free trial. You'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So while both Asana and Airtable are great for certain use cases, for a truly streamlined project management experience, I highly recommend giving this alternative a shot. Don't miss out on the link in the description for your best free trial offer.